Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert an Amazon Kindle book into a PDF. First, you need to prepare the required software. Download and install Calibre on your computer from its official website. After that, download the DRM plugin, which is usually available on GitHub as a zip file. Once both are ready, open Calibre, go to Preferences, and then open the Plugins section. Click on Load Plugin from File, select the DRM zip file, and install it. When it is done, restart Calibre so the plugin can work properly. Next, open the Kindle application on your Windows PC or Mac. Sign in using your Amazon account. Go to your library and find the book you want to convert. Right-click on it and choose the option to download it. Wait until the download is complete so the file is saved on your computer. Now go to your Kindle content folder. On Windows, it is usually located in C drive, then Users, then your username and My Documents. Inside My Documents, look for the folder named My Kindle Content. Open Calibre and click on Add Books. Find the downloaded Kindle file, which is usually in AZW or AZW3 format, and import it into Calibre. The DRM plugin will automatically handle the file during import. After the book appears in your library, select it and click on Convert Books from the top menu. In the conversion window, find the Output Format option in the top right corner and set it to PDF. Click OK and wait for the process to finish. Once completed, your converted PDF will be available in your Calibre library folder, ready to open or use. Thanks for watching.